Let's take a couple of minutes and we'll check out Pandora's operation on your Android phone on Pioneer's AVH-X2800BS. Before we get started with Pandora, let's check a couple of settings on the head unit to make sure that we're all set up and ready to go. So I'm going to go to the gears here, and I want to go to my toolbox, and let's go down to the input-output settings. We'll open that, and we want to look at smartphone setup. There we go. Now in this video we are connecting an Android phone to playback Pandora. So we want to make sure that our device type is set to others, and under the application type we can choose either one, USB, MTP, or the App Radio 1 setting, as long as we see that Pandora is lit up and available here. Either one of these settings will work, but as long as Pandora is lit up and available, we'll be able to operate Pandora. So we want others, and either one down here will be fine. So we'll just hit the X to escape. Now I know my phone is connected because I have the Bluetooth logo lit up here, and I can also check that by switching to, for example, Bluetooth audio, and we will touch the function button here and check my phone list. You can see that my Nexus 5 is the device that's selected. That's the one that is active right now. We're good. So let's start up Pandora on my phone, and we're going to switch to the Pandora source on the head unit. When you see the Pioneer logo appear on the phone, you know you have two-way communication between the phone and the head unit. There's a lot of information going on the screen here with Pandora. We have the name of the artist, the name of the song, name of the album, and so forth. We have album art for selected albums if it's sent that way to you from Pandora. And we have our play and pause function down here and a scrubber bar across the bottom. If you want to advance to the next track, you can touch the skip forward button right here to advance to the next track. You could also use the hard keys over here to advance to the next track. Play and pause function over here. If you like this song, you can give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like this song. I like this one, so we'll give it a thumbs up. We can jump over to the next page on the bottom here. Here we can check our phone connection. If you want, you can create a new Pandora station based on the artist or the track that you're listening to right now. If you want to create a new Pandora station in your Pandora account based on this track or this artist, all you have to do is touch that on the screen. There we've created a new station based on the artist that we were listening to, and we've switched to that station. And if you want to bookmark a song so you can purchase it later, you can add a bookmark. If you want to search your list of available stations in your Pandora account, touch the search function here. And here you have your full list of radio stations that you've created in your Pandora account. You can switch to any one of them whenever you want. And we have radio station presets over here for Pandora. So let's open that up. You can see we have no stations selected right now in our radio station presets, but this is one of my favorites, so we'll create a radio station preset just by pressing and holding. And that created this radio station in my Pandora account as radio station preset number 1. You have 6 radio station presets to work with. We'll close that window.